reserve fund on the basis of its historical expenses.
Correct. So we're speaking
the
of reserve
remainder-
funds. We're speaking of reserve funds.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
But it's the remainder.
The remainder
ones-
of the reserve funds. Then we go back to section 11. All right. Anyway, thank you for that. My last question is this. For the AFP modernization program, based on research, 25 billion was allotted for this under the 2020 GAA, 27 billion under the 2021 GAA, 29 billion and 50 million under the 2022 GAA. But no similar item under the 2023 and 2024 GAAs. Yet, Republic Act number 10349 extended the AFP modernization program for another 15 years. That is until 2027. In short, this expense is predictable. So why was it placed under the unprogrammed appropriations in 2023 and 2024 GAA?
Again, Your Honor, we cannot speculate
Yes.
on the reasons,
The wisdom.
on the wisdom of Congress in postponing or deferring certain
And
expenditures.
reclassifying these funds, though predictable, from programmed to unprogrammed. All right. Mr. Solicitor General, thank you. You have all my respect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You may go back to your seat. Thank you. So for petitioners who would like to respond to the questions of the court. Yes, just two questions, Chief. Thank you. All right.
If I may, Your
Yes,
Honors. Yes. We just
Is it
divided.
good evening already?
It is good evening.
It is
already, Your
good and
Honors.
it is evening.
Yes, yes.
All
But
right.
just to clarify, Your Honor, based on the order of the court, we divided the topics. So procedural goes to Attorney Calleja. The PhilHealth issues, mainly to Pimentel, the petitioners.
All right. So Attorney Calleja
For the
will
procedural.
respond to my questions.
If I may, Your Honor, the ones assigned to us is presidential certification and the insertion in the budget by the BICAM in the
Noted.
program funds.
All right. Good afternoon, Mr. Counsel. Good evening, rather.
Good evening, Your Honors.
Yes.
Good evening.
It's evening. All right. Did Section 1D, Chapter 14, or 43,
43, Your
yes,
Honor.
43 of GAA 2024 amend the provision under Section 11 of the UHCA stating that, I quote, no portion of the reserve fund or income thereof shall accrue to the general fund of the national government or any of its agencies or instrumentalities, including government-owned or controlled corporations.
Well, anyway, Your Honor, that is for the Pimentel, but I would venture an answer since...
Don't venture. I want the one in charge to
Okay.
respond.
Okay, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you.
Good
Madam
evening, Your
Counsel,
Honor.
yes,
Your
please
Honor.
respond.
Yes, Your Honor. It is our argument that it actually amends Section 11 of the Universal Healthcare Act. Your Honor, in the Section 11, it says no portion of the reserve fund or income thereof. Whether while the reserve fund, the respondents have debated on whether the amounts are actual reserve funds or not, because they have been challenging that it is supposed to be accumulated earnings, Your Honor. But I think the language is clear on the income thereof. Based
This is how you protect your house and family from dangerous intruders.
This new subscription-free mini Wi-Fi camera delivers more advanced security features